I'm going to be reviewing one social media course every single month. This is going to be perfect if you're somebody who's just getting started out in social media and looking for a place to get training and information that is up to date, informative, and insightful. And I'm going to show you step by step whether the course is worth purchasing or whether it's better to leave it to one side and move on to something else. So just before we get started today, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So the first course we're going to be reviewing today is one called Strong Brand Social. Now this is a course that's been developed by KW Content, Katie White and her team of experts, and I believe they're based in Vermont. They have put together a course which is talking about creating a zero waste social media strategy. So some of the things which they are going to be talking about in their course are the 3 types of content, the critical elements of success, channel guides you should be on, what the new boost looks like, Katie's secret social weapon, and also the 100 creative content prompts. So it's a little workbook that she's put together, and the videos which are in the course are roughly 90 minutes altogether. So it's a 9-part video module coupled with the workbook and a lot of other content. So it's going to be quite interesting to see and have a discussion about what the course looks like, who it's perfect for, how much value it provides. It's only $37, so it's not going to break the bank, but I'm going to give it a breakdown on how much value I think somebody is going to get out of it depending on their situation, and also answering the big question as well, is it really the zero waste social media strategy? Because that's the big thing that it got marketed as. And when I first saw this pop up as a Facebook ad and going through to the landing page, it's the zero waste social media strategy, the thing that's really sort of being driven home. So it's going to be very interesting to look at that and discuss and talk about it. So I can't wait to dive into it and share my thoughts and insights with all of you and just get your thoughts on it as well. So I do have a big question for you. First one is, what social media courses would you like me to review? These could be Facebook specific or cover multiple social media channels. So if you've got any thoughts or any courses that you've done or would like me to have a look at, just pop them into the comment section below, leave a comment, and please, once again, don't forget to smash that like button. So I look forward to sharing my insights, my thoughts on Strong Brand Social with you, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks' time with the findings on the course.